Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a brand from the world of automotive industry. This brand hails from Taiwan and was founded in 1949. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Yulon, 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 Yulon. An interesting fact about Yulon is that it manufactures a range of vehicles, including SUVs and sedans, and is known for its collaboration with various international car brands to produce models that cater to the Taiwanese market. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.